Hey guys, so we're gonna make this shortbread I came across when I was doing some consulting work in a hotel. They were making this little shortbreads, and it was really, really good. And there's no eggs, so that's good news. So basically, it's like a kilo of softened butter from the microwave, as it is, 500 grams of castor sugar. So we're gonna blitz that together until nice and pale, very a long time until nice and whipped even. Then it's super easy. You can put lemon zest. This one we're gonna put with lemon and sprinkle with cinnamon sugar at the end. But you could add some chocolate drops. The tiny chocolate drops to make chocolate ones. Then you can play with anything else you like. So that's the soft butter and the sugar in a mixer. Blitz it, blitz it. Flour wise, we have 1,400 grams of plain flour. On this quantity, I'm gonna put 4 lemon zest. So the zest gonna go with the butter and sugar. Those lemon zest smell so good, huh? So fresh. I don't think I ever met anyone who doesn't like lemon yet. It's like something that really everybody loves. I haven't met anyone. Okay. Now it's well combined, so second speed, and we're gonna let it whip it for a little while. Let's say 5 minutes. So I think it can't be whipped more than that. Let's have a look. See, very light, very white. Perfect. Flour. First speed until all combined. But don't over mix it, just to combine. Maybe sometimes it's better to finish it by hand to make sure all the butter is mixed with the flour than to over mix it. That's it. It's combined. Lovely. So with a scraper, we just make sure everything is well combined. And it is, so that's good. So it's really soft. And that's great because we're gonna roll it now. It's like a mousse. Right, so I need some piece of parchment paper. There. All right, so I'm just gonna take a little piece here. Maybe slightly bigger. Flat it up a bit by hand. Then between two parchment paper, and to have the same thickness all over, I'm just gonna put 2 racks on each side. Right. I got those 2 racks here. So basically I'm gonna roll across it, and that will give me the same thickness all over. So I push the dough right just before the edge. Then I can go a little bit this way, make a rectangle. Now this way. So now we're gonna press, and what's come out, we're gonna be able to scrape it out. That's scraped out, and here we don't have much. There you go. A shortbread sheet, same thickness all around, ready to be baked. But my trays is actually a bit smaller, so I'm just gonna remove a piece here. And here. Then if you want really something square, here you can add a bit more dough. Here as well. Here as well. And there. Put the paper back again. Roll it. And you got something a bit more square that you keep. Up, 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 up. So those shortbread sheets can be freezed, and you take one at a time whenever you want to bake one. That's all simple. So you have a little stock of shortbread sheets and cook one whenever you fancy. So right now my oven is at 170. I'm gonna stick this one in the oven. In the baking tray. Ready to go. How long? Until nice and golden. All right, guys, it's coming out of the oven. Oh no, not yet. All right, this time, guys. Beautiful. A light golden. Lovely. While it's hot, I've made a little castor sugar with cinnamon here. Goes so well together. Lemon and cinnamon. Sprinkle on top. And now straight on the tray, we're gonna cut the shapes that we want. Here I'm making little squares. There you go. Now we're gonna let it cool down, and then we have little square shortbread. The smell of those little shortbread, it's insane. You know, you have like the warm cinnamon reacting up in the air. It's so delicious. Let's try. Up, it's gone. Like, I wish you could see the layers of. You see, it's so airy and thin. It's gone again. So good. It's melting in your mouth. Delicious. With chocolate chips, it's good as well. Very nice. There you go, guys. Mini little shortbread.